Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawns are going forward in this direction, and black's pawns are going downward this way. And though it's white to play and win, white has only a single move to win this game. As you can see, white has two double pawns. They can't even defend each other, and they are not really close, right? The most advanced pawn is 2 moves away from queening. That alone can be a problem. So with all of these problems, white is winning. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so the first move is, the first move that comes to your mind, maybe probably capturing the knight on g7, right? F takes g7, but this doesn't work because black will just capture that, and this is going to be losing for you. So capturing doesn't make you the winner. So how about pushing? Well, you can't push because the rook here is attacking the f5 pawn, and the rook would obviously capture that and get behind the pawn, and that is going to be game over. So these are the problem we have, and it looks like the king is just too far, right? Here in this position we may just play king to a3, but now black is not going to play here or to capture this, as we can just play like this, and this is not winning. So what else can we do? What can we do in this position? Well, the correct move is fascinating, and it's kind of robotic, and a lot of humans may not consider the move. The move is h4, attacking the rook. So what does this move do? We are attacking the rook. The rook has to move. The rook has to move somewhere, and the rook can't actually capture this. Otherwise, we capture the knight, and look at this. The rook can't stop the pawn, right? So that is the problem for black. And in this position, you may just think, what if the knight takes that? Well, we just push our pawn, and again the rook can't stop this pawn, right? So the rook may play here. We just make a new queen with a check, and black has to be careful with this, right? This is going to be just a fork, and we are going to win the game this way. So what else can black do? Well, in this position, the best move is actually to capture the pawn here, and now notice we have to push this immediately. We can't capture the rook. Black would just play knight to d6 and prevent us from moving any closer to the promotion. So it's important to just push the pawn. So in this position, black may just capture this way and get a queen, and this is not easy win, but it's winnable, and we have 3 pawns. In material we have 1 point advantage. So this is the solution of the puzzle. I hope you found this entertaining. For a recap purpose, first we are going to play h4 and this is a trap for the black rook, and the black rook has to play somewhere. So in this position we are threatening here, that these two are our big threats, including the threat on taking the rook on g5. So that is the idea, and in this position black's best move is to just capture the f5 pawn, and we push. Black captures the other pawn, we push, get a queen. We may just play here queen to f7, and we may just capture one of the pawn, and we have this passed pawn, right? So that is going to be a lot easier for us to promote and win with all of the checks and tricks. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe the channel. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos like this every single day. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.